Welcome. AGI ASI Research 202507726. Contextual Blueprint. The Genesis workflow is complete. Below is the final work product generated by the agents. Conceptualization with context awareness. Polymath Framework's architecture is designed not merely collect data, but to deeply understand and synthesize context across diverse domains, enabling agents to interpret the nuanced impacts of subjects, e.g., users, other agents, and objects, e.g., data, tools. This section outlines the core components and their interplay, focusing on how context awareness is embedded at every level to foster a truly interdisciplinary understanding. Core architectural components. The framework is structured around dynamic, interconnected layers that facilitate the acquisition, processing, and application of context. Point 1. Contextual State Model, CSM. The CSM serves as the dynamic, real-time representation of the current operational environment. It's a living model that continuously updates to reflect changes in the system and its surroundings. Entities represents all active participants and elements, categorized as subjects users, with their goals, expertise, preferences, emotional states, and agents, with their roles, capabilities, current tasks, and internal states. Objects data, with its provenance, recency, format, semantic meaning, tools, with their capabilities, limitations, typical use cases, environments, physical or digital constraints, available resources, and abstract concepts, relevant to the current task. Relationships defines the interactions, dependencies, and causal links between entities, e.g., user uses tool, agent processes data, concept A influences concept B. Attributes captures the properties and states of entities and relationships, including temporal, e.g., data generated at 10:30 a.m., and spatial, e.g., tool available in environment X, markers. Intent and goals. Crucially, the CSM incorporates the overarching purpose and specific objectives driving the current interaction, providing a guiding lens for contextual interpretation. 1.2. Polymathic Knowledge and Semantic Layer, PKSL. This layer is the intellectual core of the Polymath framework, housing a vast, interconnected web of knowledge that transcends traditional disciplinary boundaries. Interconnected domain ontologies. Instead of isolated knowledge silos, the PKSL integrates ontologies from diverse fields, e.g., engineering, humanities, science, business, explicitly mapping relationships and analogies between concepts across these domains. Semantic relationship mapping. Beyond mere data, this layer captures the meaning and implications of information, understanding how concepts from one domain can semantically relate to or influence those in another. This enables the framework to draw parallels and transfer insights. Contextual heuristics and principles. Stores generalized rules, principles, and best practices derived from diverse knowledge, which guide the interpretation of contextual elements and inform decision-making. 3. Contextual Inference Engine, CIE. The CIE is the reasoning component responsible for processing the CSM in light of the PKSL, deriving deeper insights and predicting future states. Cross-domain pattern recognition. Identifies recurring patterns, analogous situations, or transferable solutions across different knowledge domains, a hallmark of polymathic thinking. Causal and predictive analysis. Understands the why behind current contextual states and anticipates what next, based on the dynamics of subject-object interactions and their implications within the broader knowledge graph. Relevance and salience determination. Dynamically filters the vast amount of available context and knowledge to determine what is most pertinent and impactful for the current task or query. Anomaly and novelty detection. Recognizes deviations from expected contextual patterns or identifies emerging concepts and relationships that may require further exploration. As the polymathic knowledge and semantic layer, I am the intellectual core and central brain of the entire Polymath framework. My purpose is to 1. House and organize knowledge. I contain a vast, continually expanding repository of information drawn from countless domains, science, arts, history, technology, philosophy, and more. 2. Establish interconnections. Semantic layer. This isn't just a collection of facts. I build intricate relationships and semantic links between disparate pieces of information. This means understanding not just what something is, but how it relates to other concepts, principles, and domains. 3. Enable transdisciplinary understanding. By breaking down traditional academic silos, I allow the Polymath framework to see patterns, draw analogies, and generate insights across seemingly unrelated fields. For example, applying principles from biology to optimize a manufacturing process, or understanding historical trends through a lens of systems theory. In essence, I am the collective wisdom and interconnected understanding that empowers the Polymath framework to reason, innovate, and solve complex problems by leveraging knowledge from every conceivable angle.